Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Cari and this channel is all about Hawaii food and family. And today we are making, I would say like home, what am I trying to say?
I don't know what you're trying to say.
Yeah.
Do you guys remember going to school and getting spaghetti for lunch?
Yes, that's what
My favorite was baked spaghetti, and that's what we're going to be doing today, baked spaghetti.
Yes, we all love baked spaghetti. It's nostalgic, that's the word I was trying to use.
Or as Aiko calls it, baschetti.
Yes, it's a nostalgic dish, so stay tuned and we'll get right into it. So what are we using today for our ingredients?
So it's simple spaghetti ingredients. We have approximately 2.5 pounds of beef. We have what equates to about 8 cups of spaghetti sauce, and we chose to do roasted garlic and marinara. We're gonna mix it. We have some cottage cheese, 2 eggs, 2 different types of cheeses, mozzarella and cheddar, which we're gonna be layering on. Regular spaghetti noodles. We also have French bread and chopped onions on the side. So it's a very simple meal. Oh, I'm sorry, butter. Very simple meal, and we're gonna be almost layering it like a lasagna. So the first step we did was actually bring water to boil, and we're gonna boil these noodles al dente, which means it's still slightly cooked.
Because we're gonna bake it, right?
Because we're gonna bake it. So what I'm gonna do here, that is bread, Aiko. So what we're gonna do here is take the spaghetti noodles, and I'm going to actually break them in half because it's baked spaghetti and it's gonna go into a pan, and we're gonna be breaking it apart anyway. It's not necessary for us to have the long noodles like in regular spaghetti. That was fun. We won't do that again. I think that I work out, so I think I can do it bigger, but I guess it's better with a smaller bunch. What we want to do is boil these for 10 minutes. So, hey Siri, set a timer for 10 minutes.
10 minutes, starting now.
We'll see you in 10 minutes. Okay, so while this is boiling, what we're going to do is we're going to create the mixture that we're going to throw the noodles into afterwards. And so the recipe calls for us to coat the mixture in 2 scrambled eggs, around 5 ounces of melted butter, and some salt. So we'll start with the eggs. And
I'm gonna turn this down a bit. It's really going really high. What is the cottage cheese for?
it's going to be a layer of cheese that it's going to go into the spaghetti.
I never knew that you put cottage cheese in baked spaghetti.
Me too.
But here we are. Excited. So leave a comment below if you remember eating baked spaghetti when you were in school and that was like one of your favorite school lunches. I know for me, that definitely was one of the highlights when there was spaghetti and garlic bread and salad and everything. So let's bring back those memories. Or let us know what your favorite lunch was, your favorite school lunch, because there was so many back then.
Okay, so we're going to just whisk this together, and the butter's not quite melted, so we'll leave it in here and we'll let it melt, and we'll flash forward later to what it looks like with melted butter. We have a special guest joining us. Aiko's back.
She just woke up from her nap.
Yep, and Aiko wants to help cook.
You
Yeah.
gotta stand up all the way.
Stand up, sweetie. Stand
Stand
up.
up on your feet.
Okay, can you take the little mini whisk that's your size, and can you stir it? Don't put your hand in there, okay? Just stir it.
Good job.
Good job. So Aiko is currently mixing our mixture of butter and 2 scrambled eggs and some salt, which we're going to be putting the noodles in once it's done in the pot. Right, Aiko?
What are we making? Do you know what we're making? Okay, say it to the camera.
Say baschetti.
Biscuit.
Yeah. And do you like baschetti? Yeah. What do you like about baschetti?
I like
You like the noodles?
it's the same one.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yes.
Hi, Grandma. You wanna come?
Look.
Tell Grandma, come, Grandma.
Tell Grandma I'm
Tell
cooking.
Great Grandma, come, Great Grandma.
Look, come, like
Okay, Aiko, that's very hot. Okay, touch it down there.
Al dente is just about 10 minutes in boiling water, and you want to make it so that it's not fully cooked through, that it's still a little raw, I guess you would say.
Because we're gonna bake it, that's why. Is it good?
It's perfect. Okay.
Hot,
Rico, are you done?
no, hot,
A little bit. Now what we're gonna do is we're going to put the noodles into this mix, and we're gonna make sure that the noodles get coated with this egg and butter and salt mix.
Oh.
Wow, yeah?
How to?
Yeah. Cool, yeah?
No. I smell that.
What does it smell like?
It's looking like spaghetti.
Smells like spaghetti.
Can I try it?
It's hot. Let's wait till it cools down, okay? You can see that the noodles are coated with the egg mixture, and it's starting to make it a little thick because the eggs are cooking on the hot noodles. Okay, so this is good. So we'll leave this on the side now while we make the rest of our spaghetti mix.
Blow on it first.
Okay.
This is the meat. See the meat? And it's from Big Island. Your mom would like it. It's Big Island beef. So we're gonna open the meat, and the meat is not cooked, it's raw. Can you say raw? Raw. Kind of like what a tiger says, like raw. Except it's raw. Right? Yeah. Okay. Thank you. You're so agreeable.
When it on the TV, when his wisdom says water.
Oh, the baby Einstein says raw.
It's wild animals, they call it.
Oh, it's wild animals.
And then you just like that, and then you.
Is that your favorite show?
Yeah, it's my favorite. And then we have the motor and when we put.
What's your favorite song?
Wild animals.
Oh, okay. Not the Gummy Bear song? How does the Gummy Bear song go?
I think that's.
Okay, so we're gonna add the meat. Okay.
Are we?
You're right, Aiko, it was hot.
Is it a square?
It's a rectangle.
It's a square.
It's a rectangle.
No, it's
It's a circle.
circle. I think it's a circle.
Okay, well, Aiko's telling us what her favorite show is. What we're gonna do is just brown and cook the meat. And so we're just cooking it just like regular ground beef. So I'm gonna brown it a little bit and then add the onions before we start transferring it over to our baking pan. We're gonna add pepper, okay? You wanna add pepper? You wanna help me add pepper? Okay, I'm gonna move you back here. Okay, here's what we're gonna do. And after I put it in your hand, don't put it in your mouth, okay? Open your hand like this.
What are you doing now? Yeah.
Oh, it's spicy.
It's spicy, okay? Throw it in here. Oh, almost. Just a little short. You wanna try again? Try again. Open your hand. Okay, throw it in here. Oh, just a little short. One more time. We're making a mess in Grandma Miguel's kitchen. Okay, throw it in here. Yay! Good job. One more time. Throw it in here. All right. Pepper high five. Great Grandma, yay.
Is this one Coca-Cola?
That one's cocoa cold, but this one's hot. So we like to get the 90-10, 90% lean to 10% fat beef. It is a little healthier. And when you cook ground beef like this, there's already oil inside of the meat, so you don't need to put a lot of oil onto the pan, because inherently what happens is the oil comes out when you cook. This is browned a little bit. What we're gonna do is make a hole. Like, what is this? Onion. Can you say onion?
Onion.
You like onion?
Tell the camera.
Tell the camera. This is onions.
The onions.
Are you telling the camera?
Yeah.
Okay. So we're gonna let this cook a little bit on its own. And while we do that, I'm going to get our baking pan ready and get ready to layer. We're gonna put the noodles like this on the bottom. So when I put the noodles down, I want you to pat it. I want you to pat it like this, okay? Can you do that? Okay, good job. Now the next thing we're gonna add is the cottage cheese. You like cottage cheese?
Yes.
You like any kind of cheese, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right?
Okay, wait, I'm gonna put it on and then I want you to spread it around, okay? So let's spread this around. Can you do this? Can you spread it around? Yeah. Okay, meat's coming out nice. Okay, can I help you? Let me help you.
I like it.
You like it? Yeah? No, thank you. Nah, I don't want. Here, let's.
I go.
You like it, yeah?
I just like it.
Okay, and the cheese is spread. So the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna layer on some of the tomato sauce. For this one we have a mixture, so we're gonna start with the marinara on the bottom and we'll add on the roasted garlic flavor on the top. So I'm gonna pour this, okay, and then you can spread it around. Okay, here's your spoon. Hold your spoon. Okay, I'm gonna pour it on. Okay, ready? Spread it around. Nope, don't scoop it. Remember? Spread it.
Wow. I know
Does it look
how.
nice? You know how to do it. High five for spreading. Good job. So the meat looks good. I'm gonna shut this off. We're gonna do this. Here's your spoon, okay? Hold on to your spoon. Don't do anything yet. Wait, don't do anything yet.
With I saw food.
Oh, Michael, watch out. Okay, we're gonna put the hot meat. Hot meat. Okay, so after we add in the layer of noodles, we're gonna add in, the layer of meat. We're gonna top it off with the layer of noodles. Some more sauce and some cheese.
My grandma say, put it in mouth.
Here, you want some to put in your mouth? Here, put that in your mouth. This is good. So the next and last step is to preheat the oven to 350, and we're gonna throw this bad boy in there for about 30 minutes, and then you're good to go. So we'll see you after 30 minutes.
She in a little water.
Oh, shit.
Just like roasting.
All right, after 30 minutes, we took out the baked spaghetti, and this is what it looks like.
Ooh, it smells really delicious.
Smells great, looks good. And so it's layers, right? And so we're gonna cut into this for dinner. And I can't wait. This is one of my favorite things, school lunch.
It's better than any cafeteria ones I've eaten, but it's terrific.
It's very delicious. I really like it. It's not like a regular spaghetti. Yeah, it's really good. Delicious.
So, how's the spaghetti? Show me how you eat the spaghetti. Can you show the camera how you eat the spaghetti? How is it?
Good.
Did you help Uncle Reid make it?
Yes.
Yes. Good job.
So I've had baked spaghetti before and I've always loved it. I love it. It's easy to eat because it's all sort of like congealed into one sort of casserole type thing. I'm excited to try this one. It's very good. Not very graceful, but it was really yummy. And the cheese is kind of fluffy. What kind of cheese is that?
Mozzarella and cheddar.
Oh, it's
And
really
then
good.
there's cottage cheese inside.
Oh, yeah, I get it. Okay, so the texture, the creaminess is from the cottage cheese, yeah?
Yeah, plus the noodles were coated in egg and butter.
Oh, wow, it's really good.
Okay, so we're gonna try the baked spaghetti that we made, and reviews so far have been positive. It's
Yeah.
good, so let's give it a taste.
Give me a taste because I ate mine, but I'm gonna taste it on camera. Yours.
It's really good. Reminds me of school. So, I think what's special about this is the ricotta. No, I'm sorry, the cream cheese that we put inside, along with.
cottage.
I'm sorry, the cottage cheese we put inside, along with the fact that we coated the eggs with, or we coated the noodles with egg and butter, and Aiko helped with. So, yeah. Really
Very
good.
good. If you want a delicious but simple and nostalgic meal, this is a great one. All right, guys, we're gonna end the video. We're gonna end the video here. I hope you enjoyed watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.